King Joker. They say life is a precious thing a person can never have. On December 24th, 2012, I almost lost my life. Thank God for saving me. But sometimes I wonder why I did it. As I look in the mirror, I don't know what I see. God, I'm out fair at 18, but I accomplished so many things. I had so many dreams of becoming somebody I know I will never be. Should I just give up or go on? Dear Lord, please let me know where I stand, cause I'm not feeling strong. You know I try to do right, but I end up doing something wrong. I come to you today, not for forgiveness, but to ask for guidance in my life. Put me on the right path before I go and grab the mic and spit that lyrical evil among my fans. Dear Lord, please give me another chance to redeem myself and find the light to shine under your hand. Yeah. Share my pain, they want me to tell my story. Well, here it is, homie. Tell me what you wanna hear. You wanna know my darkest fear? Okay, picture this, driving down a dark road all alone and it's freezing cold. Lose control of the wheel, car flips over and you almost lose your life without saying goodbye. Now tell me how would you feel inside, not being able to say goodbye to the ones you love? Man, I know, cause I cried once I looked into my mother's eyes. When I saw her face again, I broke down cause I thought it was gonna be the last time. I had so many thoughts running through my mind. I thank God that it wasn't my time. Yeah.